To date, the Don Don luxury sneaker has sold 16 units. Help us celebrate by throwing a like on the video. Grab your pair of the year's hottest sneaker at aliveshoes.com/dondon1.
Yo, what's going on? So I just want to quickly tap in real quick. Man, let me tell you what I just did. I just went off on my manufacturer, the plug as you might call it. All right. I got shoes that should have been out already, should have already been sent to my customers and my friends. I'll say my friends should have already got to them. And I'm looking in my database and I'm saying that they haven't been shipped yet. And I said, and this is like 3 days ago, by the way. I said, oh no, we ain't going like that because my name is on the line. You know what I'm saying? My name is on the line. So, you know, I reached out to Luca Betticelli personally. All right. From Detroit to Italy. You feel me? And I was like, I sent them. I'm like, bro, what is taking so long for this shoe to be produced and sent out? We got promises. Like you told me a certain time frame. Why is the shoe not sent? And within 1 day, 24 hours, at least 3 orders was sent out. So I just want y'all to know, man, I'm advocating for y'all. Y'all support me, and I got to make sure that y'all are treated right, fairly, all that. So that's it. You know, just a quick update for the few people where your order got kind of caught up a little bit. That's no longer an issue. It's sent out. All right. Appreciate you.